Sally Technology Co Ltd was founded in 1999. It's a professional and modern enterprise that integrates the research and development, manufacturing, marketing, and service of shower rooms, bathroom pods, panoramic doors, fragrant bathing, and invisible railings. Since its establishment, Sally has always focused on the bathroom industry, dedicated to creating a world-class bathroom brand. Sally consistently enhances its brand competitiveness through technological innovation, continuously launching products with leading technologies to provide customers with a high quality and comfortable living experience. Sally adheres to the design concept of fashion. Beyond leading upholds the service principle of customer first, boldly takes on social responsibilities, always lead the industry development trend to create a world-class bathroom brand and make unremitting efforts. Sally headquarters is located in Zhongshan, Guangdong, known as China's shower room industry base. Currently has 3 large automated production bases, a modern office production building under construction, and has 190 national authorized patents. Through more than 20 years development, Sally's customers have covered 33 regions in China, and the series products are exported to Europe, America, Middle East, Southeast Asia, Hong Kong, Macau, and Taiwan, etc. More than 30 countries and regions, and also has even square meters of overseas logistics warehouses as well as overseas branch offices. It also has reached a strategic cooperation with nearly 100 famous real estate developers such as Polybank Greenland, Sino-Ocean, and other top-level real estate companies in most domestic regional markets. Sally bathroom brand has won great praise from consumers and the society with its perfect products and high-quality service. Sally has been awarded Guangdong Famous Brand Products, China Famous and Excellent Products, National Building Materials AAA Grade Quality, and Service Credit Enterprise. China Top 10 Famous Brands of Shower Room, Guangdong Province Manufacturing Top 500 Enterprises, and other honors. In the future, Sally will adhere to the original intention, continue to innovate technology, adhere to the fine craftsmanship for the majority of customers, to create artisanal products, provide quality service, provide diversified sanitary solutions, so that high-quality sanitary products into the tens of thousands of households